focus on what is necessary. Okay. Without instead of building a product which will cost you more. Okay. You can build a minimum viable product. Okay. Clear? You need to focus on the what is necessary. Okay. Instead of building everything at a time, you need to focus on what is necessary. First, you need to understand what is the problem. Okay, for which problem you are finding the solution. Okay, so when you are finding a solution for a particular problem, you should focus on the solution, necessary solution. Okay, which is required. What happened? Okay. What is necessary? First, you need to focus on what is necessary. Then next, often applied by this lean startup is often applied by the tech startups. Okay, what they will do? Product market fit happens when your product meets the needs of the customers. Okay, when you can say the product is market fit, when it meets the customer expectations. Okay, it completes their needs. Then you can say the product is market fit. They are using it. Okay, clear? Any doubts?
Clear है ना दोस्तों? एग्जाम में कैसे ना एग्जाम है
Viable product. A simple version of your product. That is the minimum viable product.
सब चेंज कर ले मैडम ने के सेरे सीधे कहता है ना
What is
हाँ
what is
हेलो
minimum viable product has? It will test
और
a
मैं करना
four
है
hypothesis. Okay. It will
कैसे
test
कबल मोरा
the
अन्ना
four hypothesis. Means if you have one problem, okay, and you found the solution, okay, simple version of that, you will test that on the minimum viable product that feature is working or not. Okay, then get real user feedback. When you launch your minimum viable product, the users who will use it, they will give the feedback about that product. You will not invest more money on that. Okay, it is the simple version of the your main product. Okay, and customer will use it and they will give you the feedback, and if any improvements are there, you can do that. Okay, then again you will be doing this until the customer is satisfied. Okay, clear? Their own apartment. Okay, their own apartment, what they will do? They will rent. Okay, clear? What this wizard of Ocean MVP does? Front end which looks real but behind the screen operation is manual. Okay, clear?
साइन कलर का तंगा
Explainer video will do. Explainer video. What is it? Just now I explained, right? Explainer type video MVP. What it does?
ऐसा नहीं
Huh? What it does? Read out.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ
Demonstrating the business idea through the video. Okay. Then next one, concert. What it is?
ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ
Concert. What it is? Listening. Then fast. Manual and personal service. Okay. Landing page. What is landing page MVP? Single
वाटतं मॅडम काही नाही.
You guys can come from they're not there right now. Okay? Then what is write the problem? Then what are the requirements of the problem? Then features. What features your solution or your product has? Then which tools you have used to build that? Okay? Then next solutions. Okay? Right. Is she audible?
हॅलो